I'm not like those other fools. Sure, okay. But yeah, he does have a point there. And my best
All
guess...
right, the guards are gone. Let's move in.
Benwick and the crew did a fine job.
Yeah, I was gonna say my best guess is that it's gonna be here, because I remember they stopped us last time from going in there. Nice. Okay. So, all I gotta do is destroy every single
Red
one.
crates. These must be our targets. The seal of Midgand Cathedral?
Should we look inside?
There's no need. Burn them, Laphicet.
Okay.
No, you guys really should have looked at it first.
We're done here. Let's go.
That storm cost too much time. I must report to Lord Artorias as soon as possible.
Oh, it's the crybaby exorcist.
It's you!
Oh hey, the crybaby.
Eleanor Hume, Exorcist Praetor.
Nice. Well, we do
Willing
have a
to
lot of more
fight
people.
without your Malachim?
No! You set the storehouse ablaze?! The people have worked so hard to withstand this time of crisis. How can you destroy what they have so painstakingly built?
Because I'm not human.
You'll pay for this, you demon!
More Malachim up her sleeves.
I will protect you, Madam Eleanor! Come and face me now, demon!
He's adorable.
Am I?
I found you at last.
That bad voice!
What?
Bienfu, you traitor! You'll never leave my clutches again!
Not her! No!
What are you doing? Get out there and fight!
Hey, look!
What?
Is that smoke? It is! Fire!
The fire has spread enough. Let's get going.
You're coming with us.
Let me go! Oh, witch nippers!
Madam Exorcist! What happened? Oh, you're badly hurt.
I can wait. Gather the people and put out that fire.
Yes, madam.
Tell me, do you know what was being kept in that warehouse?
Mostly nectar, I believe. Vast stores of the medicine, provided by High Priest Gideon, to be distributed to doctors across the land.
Medicine given by the church. Why would anybody destroy it?
Oh.
Whew. Looks like we're in the clear.
Misfortune and anguish! I had that little turncoat right in front of me! Well, at least now I know where to find him!
That weird little Moloch was the one you were looking for?
The very same. The Moloch Bienfu!
A creature of unfathomable wickedness and beguiling cuteness who broke the heart of this wretched maiden!
Once I finally catch him, who knows what I'll be capable of?
Okay.
Not sure I get it.
Me neither.
Good. Pray that you never do. Let's go back and report our success.
Alright, so now I think that we just went straight back rather than going back to the other little area that we can enter because there's nobody there we can talk to. Oh crap. Oh well. We got it. Alright. Nope. So I believe it was this way here. Yeah. Let's try to hit up this corner over here. All right, perfect. And No need to save because I don't think we're gonna do anything here.
What's the deal with you and that exorcist Eleanor?
She had tears in her eyes when we first saw her at Northgand. Velvet poked fun at her, calling her the crybaby exorcist.
Why would an exorcist cry?
Sacrificing the individual for the good of the many is part of Artorias' philosophy. She seemed troubled by that. She's naive.
That she can still carry on shows just how strong she is. It looks like they don't hand out the rank of Praetor to just anyone. Just stay sharp around her. That's all.
By the way, was that Bienfu character that Magulu was after really a Moloch?
He may look strange, but yes, he's still a Moloch.
That means Magulu is an exorcist. Why does she call herself a witch then?
If she got locked up in that prison, she must have been kicked out of the Abbey.
Or she could be a fraud.
Yeah. Even if she wasn't an exorcist, she could still perform some tricks with a Moloch like that.
I will protect you, Madam Eleanor. Face me now, demon.
Right? Was that laughter?
I'm sorry.
Why apologize? Bienfu is funny, right?
Right. Then if you want to laugh, laugh!
If you think that's funny, you should give it a try for yourself. Say,
Hi, I'm Laffyset. All right. Hi, I'm Laffyset.
Knock it off!
what's the problem?
People are staring. Don't attract attention.
I'm sorry.
She's so uptight. Let's try it together later, Laffyset.
All right.
Okay. Alright. I think, yeah, I don't think they...
Well, we've learned one thing coming to the capital. The Abbey and Shepherd Artorias have expanded their power immensely.
They might as well be the Empire now. They have the undying support of the populace.
The Shepherd, savior of humanity.
I wonder what he meant by the blessings of the Empyrean Innominat.
That's what they call the gods they worship in church, right? The Empyreans? He promised a lot in that speech. But can he really command such a power?
I have no idea. Not even we Malachim know of them beyond the stories and legends. He called Innominat the Fifth Empyrean. There should only be four, one ruling each element.
Is he talking about a new Empyrean?
Have you heard anything, Laffyset?
Sorry. I don't know anything about this.
It doesn't matter. We should be careful about taking his words at face value. The man is no saint. He'll stop at nothing to achieve his aims. But there's no way he could have a god at his beck and call.
Don't underestimate the Abbey.
Trust me, I'm not. That's why I'm using the Shadow Guild to help us hunt them down. And to make sure that I kill him.
Yeah, I was gonna say that I don't think that they have actually added more text messages for us to read. So I think we're good just to go straight through. And I think that so far they all have the non-smiling face. So I think I'm right. But let's go ahead and pick up these free items here because it's good for us to open up the cat's treasure chest. And it's also free items, so why not? How did I miss this? So it seems to me like it's called Innominat. Innominat, like Innominat. Okay. I'll try to keep that one in mind. Innominat. So in na me not. All right. Alright. we go. Anything on this side? Doesn't look like it. All right. This place is supposed to be like a place of sanctuary and a place of peace, but the music in here is like so. What would you call it? I wouldn't say destructive would be the right word, but menacing. There you go, menacing. The music is really menacing. So now I do a quick tour around this main area here, and I think I should be good. All right. Now I can't remember what was exactly up here. Oh, right. Perfect. It's a good thing we came back up here. Do we have enough? Yes. Okay. Alright. Nothing. Okay. Maybe there's a specific catch with the cat spheres, but I'm not sure. Maybe maybe after you open, because they said that they bring good luck, right? So maybe after you open up a box, maybe you should go and go battle. Maybe they give you better item drops, I guess. I'm not sure. It's a possibility, but I'm not sure. I mean, because they're not really gonna make you use 95 cat spheres and then just give you nothing in return, right? Alright, so let's sweep this last area first. My apologies. Audiences with Lord Artorias are full for the next few months. I'm afraid I cannot even say where he is at the present moment. Months, you say? Well, that's not totally unexpected. He's likely the busiest man in the world right now. Very well. I will have to be patient, it seems. Alright, so let's go upstairs. Okay. To be an exorcist takes more than effort. You also have to be born with resonance. So, exorcists are already chosen from birth? What an unfair world we live in. You'll hear no argument from me on that score. Still, as nobles, do we have room to complain? No, because you guys are privileged from birth also. Is Prince Percival out falconing? He had planned it, but something else came up, so he canceled the trip. Oh, It's not like the prince to skip a hunt. Well, he's a busy man. Running the country and all. Okay, so I believe we are good. Yep. Alright. Let's continue. Looks like you've had some success. Here's your reward as promised. Oh, okay, sure. We have a new request. Check it out if you like. The Shrieking Demon Bat. Okay, I got him already. Okay, Creeping Viper. Echidna. Territory, Galleys Lake Road. Okay, so that's the place where we haven't gone yet. Or maybe it could be the place that we were told to turn away. I think it is. But I think we should be good. Yeah, definitely. Okay, that's cool. We'll go ahead and go do that once we get back out there. You are. Dealing with customers here is harder than any job the Bloodwings will throw at you. Care to see for yourself? Serving game? Sure, why not? Laffy set? Okay, sure. I want some pudding. Oh, nice. Okay. Risotto. Okay. Fruitcake. Oh, okay. Mild curry. Fruit cake. Mild curry. Again? Must be good, huh? One more. One more. Fruit cake. Again? Okay. Pudding. Pudding. Oh, snap. Risotto. Pudding. You, sir. Pudding. And you, miss. Mild curry. Okay. Nice. 300 tails coin. Alright. You're so earnest and innocent, it hurts. Keep this up and I think you'll find yourself with your very own fan club. Put this uniform on and keep at it. Serving clothes, Laffy said. Okay. A simple waiter's uniform for a boy. Excited about his first job. Here's a nice bow tie to go with your uniform. Remember, looking professional is half the job. A stylish bow tie made to go along with serving clothes. Good work. Alright, so I believe there's a save up here. Correct? Or not. It's alright. We can go ahead and just advance the storyline here. Okay, let's go.
Trouble at the docks, was there? Well, so long as the job was done.
Search for a missing man. Oh, perfect, because this would... It's going to the Galleys Lake Road, so it should lead us straight to that demon. So we can do 2 quests at one time. 1 stone, 2 birds. 2 birds, 1 stone, right? Find and bring back a scholar named Mindy who disappeared along Galleys Lake Road.
Good luck. I look forward to hearing your report.
A scholar missing on the road to Gallis Lake.
Strange request.
If they know where he vanished, why don't they just look for him there?
Exactly. And what's so illegal about a missing persons case that you gotta go to the underworld?
I can think of a few possibilities, but our job isn't to ask questions.
My best guess, guys, is that this guy is probably a criminal. That would be my best guess. Alright, so let's go ahead and go straight through because there's no need for us to run through this whole area again collecting these items. I do need to get more water. For some reason, my mouth is very, very dry today. Oh. Okay, so I think it is actually the other way. Actually, it's the other way. Okay. Okay. All right. So, oh, look at that.
Hey, that noisy demon looks pretty strong. Think it might be one of those Code Red demons?
Doesn't matter to me. I'd rather not waste my time fighting it if I don't need to.
I don't see it as a waste of time. Look, the Abbey only has a handful of exorcists strong enough to take something like this down, right?
Probably. I'd say praetors like Lady Teresa and the legates could probably take it on.
And those guys are all your enemies, right?
I see where you're going with this. The Abbey is strong, both in its individual members and as an organization.
And if we're to close the gap between us and them, we need to fight strong opponents like this demon.
That's what I would do. But you're free to make your own decision.
All right, I'll concede the point.
But we should determine just how strong it is first. I don't want us to bite off more than we can chew.
That goes without saying. I'd rather not get myself killed due to inadequate preparation.
You don't have to worry that much. If you want to go fight, I'll help keep you safe myself. I promise.
I don't recall asking for your protection.
You don't need to.
Well, the thing is, we can't even go down there anyways. So, I don't think we should really worry about it yet. Seems like... oh, I know where this is at. Yeah, we can actually go down there. Okay, alright, I got you. We'll come back for him in a bit here then. Yeah, we'll go through this area first. And secure it. I mean, clear it out. And then pick up the other demon for the money. And then pick up the guy with the Mindy guy. And then come back down there and then get the Code Red. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I think this is a quick shortcut. So is this where I came from? We will see. I think this is indeed a shortcut here for us. Oh, wow. So this one here is code red. Okay, this is definitely the one we're supposed to be hunting. Okay, so and what the heck is over here? It's another place. Wow, this map is so humongous. Alright, you know what? Let's do it. After I pick up these items in treasure chests. Alright. I think this one might be quite hard here. It's probably better if we equip the other items, but screw it. Oh, crap. Alright, that was a little bit too easy. But that's good though. Equipment. Mastered here. And you need to get the void ring. Okay. So this one is mastered. So you switch over to this one here. And you can switch over to this one here. And you switch over to this one here. Nice. Okay. Alright. Perfect. No can do. And where is my jumping point? There we go. Holy bottom. Yeah, I do need a saving point here pretty soon. I have to leave for work here. So unfortunately, I will have to be skipping this area here until I find a safe point. So, okay, this is the main course. Is there a safe point here? No.
Who goes there? What on earth are guards doing here?
They're not guards. They're demons.
Sheesh. What do you suppose they were guarding?
A little lost lamb, perhaps.
You think they're holding Mendy captive?
Yep. Courier's Ventite increases map movement by 10%. Okay. Who in the blazes are you? How did you get in here? You didn't kill the mercenaries set to watch us, did you? I did. I did. So it seems like this is the right place. Let's go ahead and back out a little bit first, because I do not want to rush this scene here. I do really have to leave for work. So I believe I have about 20 minutes left, but I still have to get ready for work also, so that should take about another good 5 to 10 minutes. So I do really have to end this as soon as possible. Now, I really do not want to run all the way back just to save it. But I think that's what I might have to do. I don't believe I can actually save right now, can I? No. So, I guess we do have to run all the way back. That's fine. It's not a big deal. And when we come back, we do have to clear out that map one by one. Because I do want to pick up the EXPs. And I do want to make sure that we do get the experience points. I mean, the experience points, the items that are dropped. However random they may be.